Hello, this is video number 1 on the Embrace Agile Performance Test Tool version 1, in which we show you how to do a performance test on the software you develop. We have developed this tool for use by developers in Agile settings. Of course, it can be used by performance testers too. With this tool, you know all about how your code performs in just a couple of minutes, and this enables you to deliver your software with guaranteed performance. As a developer, you can use the tool to test one transaction immediately after you created it, so you can easily experiment and optimize, or you can do the transactions of a sprint, or you can performance test the whole application when it is ready. So the tool can be used in Agile settings. It is, however, still very well suited for waterfall testing as well. The details of the application under test and its infrastructure are treated in video number 0. For the demo, let's pretend that you are the software developer building the application under test called Neuros, and you are finishing a sprint that consists of these transactions. So in the performance test, we test these 4 transaction types of this sprint. You do the actual performance test in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Start the tool. After the performance test is finished, we come back here to conclude it. Step 2. Execute the transactions of the application under test 6 times by hand. In this demo, I do 6 times, of which I show only 1. The first transaction is the login. The second transaction type is navigate to a form to fill in some hours. We fill in the form. Submit the form is transaction 3, and log out is transaction 4. I repeat this 5 times more to complete performance testing of this sprint. Step 3. Stop the tool and conclude the performance test. This performance test on a sprint with 4 transactions takes 3 minutes. After doing the performance test, you judge the results in the Embrace model. Watch video number 2 for this. Finally, if a transaction's response time takes too long, you need to optimize it first. To that end, you can drill down and find performance improvement opportunities that you might want to use for improving the response times. Watch video number 3 for this. You have watched a performance test done with the Embrace Agile Performance Test Tool version 1. Performance testing can be done by software developers on the software they produce in a simple process that does not disturb the development, which takes 3 steps immediately after completion of the software, which provide you the shortest possible feedback cycle on the performance of your code in just a couple of minutes. Without preparations, just begin and execute the transactions by hand, enabling you to deliver software with guaranteed performance and include performance in the definition of done. You have watched video number 1, doing a performance test with the Embrace Agile Performance Test Tool version 1,